Hello once again and welcome to Dissimilar Learning. So this is our third video. This time, let's talk about naman sa pag-add ng mga fractions, yung mga dissimilar fractions. So ano ba ang mga technique? Ano ba yung pampadali ng pag-add or pag-subtract ng dissimilar fractions? Madali lang kasi kapag nag-add ka ng similar fractions, you're just adding the numerator, okay? And then you simplify them, no? Paano kapag dissimilar fractions? Kung mapapansin nyo, mga basic lang talaga yung sinishare ko muna, no? After nito, pasok tayo dun sa medyo pataas ng pataas, So, basic lang muna tayo. So, let's talk about this. Meron bang madaling way? Can you compute mentally? Say, for example, what is 1/2 plus 1/4? What is 2/3 plus 3/4? Kaya mo ba agad siyang computein right away? Yes, kaya mo siya, no? So, meron tayong mga methods. So, we're going to learn mathematics today the simplest way. Using the yung usual na process na ginagawa natin ay kinukuha natin yung least common denominator. Ano yung common ng 2 and 3, na pwedeng maging denominator ng pinakang sagot. Right? So yung common ng 2 and 3, the LCD is 6. Saan siya galing? Yun yung pinakang common multiple nila, yung least common multiple nila, the 2 and 3. So, you have here 6, right? And then, you divide 6 by 2, the answer is 3. You multiply it by 1, you will have 3, right? And then, since this is addition, so you just have to add. And then, 6 divided by 3, you will have 2. You multiply it to the numerator, so that's gonna be 2. Then, you're going to add it in here. So, you have now 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5/6. Ang haba, di ba? What if merong way? Okay, merong madaling way, no? How about this one? Check natin kung pwede, Try natin to. 3 times 1, the answer is 3. 2 times 1, the answer is 2. Let us try to add them. 3 times 1, and then 2 times 1, that's gonna be 3 plus 2. The next step, try naman natin to. Sa baba naman, denominator. 2 times 3, 6. We have now the answer. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5/6. So basically, ganito ang ginawa natin, So we multiply this, 3 times 1. We multiply this, 2 times 1. So we have 3 times 1, that's going to be 3. 2 times 1, that is 2. Then we added them, and then we put the answers in numerator, which is 5. Then how did we get 6? We get this because we multiplied the denominator. 3 times 2, which is 6. Let's try this one naman, 3/4 plus 2/3. So, dissimilar fractions sila kasi they don't have the same denominator. So, let's use the method, Tawagin natin siyang butterfly method. Okay, butterfly method. First, let's multiply this one. 3 times 3, that is 9. Then this one, 2 times 4, that is 8. And then, ang denominator natin, you just multiply this. So, 4 times 3, that is 12. Therefore, we have 9 plus 8, 17/12. Now, if the numerator is greater than the denominator, ang tawag natin dyan ay improper fraction. Ngayon, ang tanong ko kanina, kaya ba siya mentally? Yes. Kaya siya. Halimbawa, 2/3 plus 1/4. 2/3 plus 1/4. Okay? Try natin to dahan-dahan lang. Yung isang fraction, ang numerator niya ay 2. Ang kanyang denominator ay 3. Yung isang fraction naman, ang kanyang numerator ay 1 at ang kanyang denominator ay 4. So, since we're going to add them, isipin natin naman kapag minultiply niyo siya, i-add mo siya. Okay? So, you have 2/3 plus 1/4. Okay? 2/3 and then 1/4. Okay? You multiply this, so that's going to be 2 times 4. That is 8 because this is 2 and this is 4. That is 8. Alright? This one is 1 and this is 3. So, 1 times 3, that's going to be 3. You add them. That will be 8 plus 3 is 11. So, ano yung mga denominators nila sa 2/3 at saka 1/4? 3 and then 4. You multiply them. That is 12. What is now the answer? 11/12. That's it. You can add them mentally.